Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix the problem when you have a stable internet connection but you cannot find any games on the Google Play Store in ZTE Blade A53+. To do this, first let's open our Google Play Store and here try to find any game or app. And as you can see, when I look for Call of Duty, it's right here, but when I click on that app, nothing happens. And to fix this, we'll need to click on our profile picture in the homepage of Google Play Store and go for the settings. Then select Family, enter Parental Controls, and here either switch off Parental Controls entirely with a switch, or go for Apps and Games and insert the PIN code. Here increase PG to at least 16, make sure to save the settings afterwards, and if we look for the game again, it's right here and we can either play or install it. And that's it for this video, hope you like it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.